Hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by with more crafty hauls. I have been on a buying spree. Um, I'm going to insert a little picture here that I saw from Queen and Company. I may appear to be rich, but I'm really just irresponsible. Kind of fits my life right at the moment, but in all honesty, I do have a plan, and I'm okay with all the spending I've been doing, and now I can buckle down and just create. So I do have 3 different hauls to show you today. Everything is linked below as to where they came from and all that good stuff in case you feel like you need to get them too. My first one was not the most exciting one. It was from scrapbook.com. I needed some more cutting plates for my Big Shot, and lately I have been having the best luck of using like one plate that I keep on top that I don't cut, and then the bottom plate I cut. It hasn't warped. It's been fabulous, and so I'd like to use the colored ones so that I know which one is which. These ones, I can't remember what they were, jade or mint or something like that, but I thought they were super pretty, so I'm excited for that. And then I happened to order on a good day because I got this die set free. It's from Sizzix, like cake dies or something, but I thought that would be super fun. And I got this Pops of Color free as well. I've never tried their Pops of Color, so I'm kind of excited about that. So that was scrapbook.com. And then I think I posted in the community tab that I went kind of bonkers with my favorite things. I absolutely loved this latest release. I normally wait until things are on sale, but I was Veruca Salts from Willy Wonka. I wanted it all, and I wanted it right now. Have to say, their shipping was super fast this time. I ordered it Tuesday, I think it was, and I got it today, which is Thursday. This won't be posted till Friday, but still. Good grief. So, let's see what I got. I got the Sand, Surf, and Sky 6x6 paper pad. I got the Tiny Cloud stencil. I got the Ocean Currents background. I got the Torn Paper Edges Dynamics, which I already have, but I got this free, so it will go in my giveaway box. I got some cute, fun dinosaurs, Ages of Fun. Oh my goodness, they're just so darn cute. And then I got mermaids, mermaid for each other. They were just so different, and this little jellyfish, and oh my goodness, yes, I fell hook, line, and sinker. I got Oceans of Fun, because my mermaids need to have some friends, plus they're just fun on their own. These little ducks were super cute, pond pals, plus I liked that pond. Adorable. This set cracked me up. Being a grandparent is the best. I am not a grandparent, but I thought it was super fun, and I do have several friends that are grandparents, so that was fun. And then the last thing was One of a Kind Friend, with this super fun unicorn doing all the fun summer things. So that was what I got from my favorite things. And then the last thing to show you today is Pink and Main. I think they are quickly becoming one of my favorite companies. I have ordered from them in the past, but not consistently, but I did sign up for their subscriptions, so I'm excited and looking forward to that each month. Not in the subscriptions though. I got this Hap Bee stamp set. Those adorable bears and bees, and so cute. And I got this sending, I think it's like sending happy mail. Yeah, sending happy mail. For those that don't know, I love to send out happy mail. I'm behind on my happy mail list, but I'm hoping in the next month or two to get that caught up. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I do have a happy mail list. It is linked in the description box. Go ahead and sign up, and randomly I will send you some happy mail, because we all need to have a smile delivered to us. So I thought that was beyond adorable. And then I signed up for the stamp of the month. This month it was Top Dog. I think that those puppies are adorable. And then I did sign up for the Crafty Courtyard monthly kit. It comes with like some sketches. It comes with cardstock, and it's good quality cardstock. And then the zippered bag. And in the zippered bag, we have, let's see if I can get it out easily here, some sequin mix, which is super pretty. And I love that everything coordinates so well. Waving hello, kind of oceany, summery feel. Some pretty glitter enamel dots. Some foilables. Even though I have the glimmer machine, I am planning on getting the Pink and Main mini mink machine and some of their foils because it looks so fun. I'm hoping to do that next month, so those will come in handy. And then got this Making Waves cover die. Super fun. Can we say mermaid and ocean? And then the stamp set this month just drew me in. Waving hello, like this turtle with the flowers and the fish, all those flowers, great sentiments, and then the dies that go with it. And then this stencil also just grabbed me. School of Fish. I mean, I can think of so many uses for that with my mermaid cards and others. So those are all the fun goodies that I got today. I think I still have an order coming from Trinity Stamps because I absolutely fell in love with their new shaker box and latest release, which was also mermaid themed and oceany and stuff. But otherwise, oh, and I have some Stampin' Up stuff coming, but that's mainly the new cardstock and ink pads. But then I'm just going to sit and get busy creating. I did do a couple more Kitten Clouder coloring classes. I'm going to take the time to actually sit down and do those. Yeah, just lots of crafty things on my horizon and lots of fun goodies to play with. Again, everything is linked below. And I will be back tomorrow with my Saturday showcase. And then hopefully in the next week or two, I will be on a more consistent schedule with videos other than haul videos. I hope you have a crafty day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.